Welcome back to Daily English with Diana. How's everything going? Today, we are talking about something everyone deals with. Getting ready for summer and switching out our clothes. Time to pack away the jackets and bring out the t-shirts. Let's learn a few easy English sentences for changing your wardrobe. Ready? Let's go. Sentence 1. I'm switching out my clothes for summer. I'm switching out my clothes for summer. Switch. S-W-I-T-C-H. S-W-I-T-C-H. When the weather changes, we change our clothes too. You can say, I'm switching out my winter clothes for summer clothes. I'm switching out my winter clothes for summer clothes. Or, it's time to switch out my sweaters for t-shirts. It's time to switch out my sweaters for t-shirts. Mini tip here. Switch out means to replace one thing with another. Very simple, right? Sentence 2. I'm putting away my winter clothes. I'm putting away my winter clothes. Put away. P-U-T-A-W-A-Y. Put away. When you don't need them for a while, you put them away. You can say, I'm putting away all my coats and scarves. I'm putting away all my coats and scarves. Or, it's time to put away my heavy sweaters. It's time to put away my heavy sweaters. Mini tip here. Put away means to store something neatly for later. Sentence 3. I'm organizing my closet. I'm organizing my closet. Organize. O-R-G-A-N-I-Z-E. O-R-G-A-N-I-Z-E. Organize means to arrange things nicely and make everything look good. You can say, I'm organizing my closet to get ready for summer. I'm organizing my closet to get ready for summer. Bonus phrases. I'm decluttering my closet. I'm decluttering my closet. Declutter. D-E-C-L-U-T-T-E-R. D-E-C-L-U-T-T-E-R. Declutter means to remove things you don't need anymore. Like doing a 断捨離 for your closets, for your clothes. It's not just cleaning. It's about deciding what you really want to keep. Another one, I'm packing up my winter gear. I'm packing up my winter gear. Gear, G-E-A-R. G-E-A-R means your equipment, clothes, or special items. Winter gear includes your coats, boots, scarves, everything you need for cold weather. Quick example conversation. Hey, what are you up to this weekend? Not much. Just switching out my clothes for summer. Oh, nice. I still need to put away all my winter jackets. Same here. I can't wait to wear shorts again. Let's review today's expressions. Number 1, I'm switching out my clothes for summer. Number 2, I'm putting away my winter clothes. Number 3, I'm organizing my closet. Number 4, I'm decluttering my closet. Number 5, I'm packing up my winter gear. And that's it for today. If you are getting ready for summer too, good luck with your closet. And remember, if you find something you don't wear anymore, maybe it's time to donate it. Thanks for listening, and I will see you next time on Daily English with Diana. Bye-bye!